Established by Proverb Blagov and Vitek Radomski in 2009, Engine was constructed essentially to serve the gaming local area. It was a stage when this present reality had gotten huge energy in video gaming, and online mediums had turned into a prevailing fashion. At first, to construct a vigorous establishment and to produce reserves, the undertaking sent off an underlying coin offering, ICO, raising about $18.9 million by offering ENJ tokens to fabricate its new blockchain. Thus Engine went live in 2018. Engine coin cost expectation has been referenced here exhaustively. Right from non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to advanced vouchers spreading their wings to products, the Engine environment is focused on serving a sweeping local area that could use the multi-chain benefits across various computer games as well. Building qualities from quality item contributions, existing local area of clients and vital organizations with driving brands, and intrinsic openness to the quickly developing NFT market, Engine Coin guaranteed it made a computerized domain around itself and made its presence felt across all stages from PC to portable. Engine, making up for lost time speed. Devoting its main goal to give versatile, decentralized, cross-chain organization. Engine cost forecast has been, since its commencement, working completely to the advantage of clients, acclimatizing all benefits of Engine Coin, the local tokens in a wallet. This further worked with crypto exchanges. Being based on Ethereum and benefiting from the consolidated benefits of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Engine Coin guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange privacy in the organization. The whole structure of Engine is so reliant upon zero divulgence proof, consequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange method, so the interest of gamers is constantly safeguarded. A consistent and bother-free exchange for gamers puts the power at last in the client's hands. Being based on a blockchain-empowered stage, Engine Coin, ENJ, can trap fake or deceptive exchanges with practically no bottlenecks or impediments caused to the gamers and their product. Its establishment is dependable on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain. Engine has embraced the exhausting errand of revising the brand to have the brand personality set up. Working alongside the most mind-boggling mechanical stages, Engine Corporate is proactive in virtual entertainment, placing in forceful reports covering immeasurably significant gaming topics, teaching the clients. Engine Coin goes about as a platform for financial gatherings, giving voice to its customer base over the globe, making a huge effect on different industry portions with a unique spotlight on gaming. Seeking after the sole mission of mass reception, Engine has fortified its foundations with arrangements in charge. It has led arrangements that address the need of great importance in the crypto local area, zeroing in on decentralized applications and making associations going past geologies. Engine Coin figure, market opinion. Engine token is a superb long-haul instrument for speculation. In view of ENJ cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $15.295. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 600%. The Engine Coin, ENJ, cost is estimated to reach $2.45187 by the start of 2022. The normal most extreme ENJ value expectation is $3.06484, and the base cost is around $2.08409. The Engine Coin cost expectation for the month's end is $2.45187. While the start of January 2022 Engine Coin cost conjecture is to cross $2.59, the normal greatest cost toward the year's end will be $3.82. Engine Coin, ENJ, cost is set to bounce back by December post-pandemic and monstrous immunization roll over the globe that would mirror a decent pinnacle of $3.21 by 2022, which it makes certain to scale. Consequently, the merchants are urged to purchase ENJ tokens on crypto trades. The greatest milestone triumph for Engine Coin cost is that it would cross $19.31 in the year 2027. In this way, in the span of 5 years, it will merit wagering on Engine Coin, ENJ, being a beneficial venture. With the expanded gamble of misfortune, we would prescribe Engine Coin to be a sensibly wise speculation. Such data objects are exceptionally useful. Right now, the exchange and cost of Enjin Coin waits around $2.79 with a market capitalization of $2,371,028,684.77 with a coursing supply of 846,734,705 ENJ now and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $271,110,304.03 in the crypto market. From the very outset of this current year, the cost of Enjin Coin, ENJ, denoted an enormous meeting till April, yet practically all digital currencies confronted a market slump after that. Nonetheless, the ENJ crypto recovered the lost force, and as of now, it exchanges around the $2.79 mark. According to the ongoing ATH, all-time high, and Enjin Coin cost forecast 2022, its future qualities could stay over its vital opposition level of $4. Enjin Coin value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that Enjin Coin is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2023. Following the moving example of ENJUSD, particularly the way things are exchanging, it is apparent that Enjin Coin, ENJ, cost will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern keeps contacting its significant obstruction level of $4.50. This cost would be close to the ongoing all-time exorbitant cost. Enjin Coin value expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Enjin Coin according to our negative market cost expectation. There is an anticipated possibility of Enjin Coin cost causing a benefit to $5.60. Enjin Coin value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as in view of verifiable information and our own exploration, expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Enjin Coin will control the digital currency market with a presentation representing things to come cost fixed at $6.70. This is comparable to the very that was anticipated toward the finish of the last year, which shows Enjin Coin can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly states of the crypto and blockchain industry. Enjin Coin value expectation 2025. As per our specialized examination and ENJ cost expectation, this year could check as the benchmark year as Enjin Coin's tradish team is anticipated to outperform $7.60 definitely. Essentially in light of the fact that this year, no urgent